Alright, let's go over how to create an action. First, one of the first things you want to do is open your action menu, window, actions. And right here we are going to create one. I had already done one, just to go over it for myself again. It's been several years since I've done it. We're going to name it border 1 resize 1. You're going to drop it under your default actions or any other one. You can put a color to it if you'd like. Your function keys is what you can call it with, so let's call it with Control-Shift F8. That will run that on an open image. You open that and you click record. So I'm not ready to record yet because if I open an image, it will record that. So let's go over here. All right, give me a second here. Alright, here's some pictures I took with the GoPro a few days ago. It was a time lapse. So one of the first things, we're gonna create a border and put a little text signature on the bottom. So we'll go image canvas size, and we're going to expand it. Canvas size, expand. We're going to make it about 200 pixels large, and we're going to make that a white border. Do that, and we're going to do the same thing again. Go back to canvas, and we're going to give it another 50 pixels in black. And that gives us kind of a nice crisp picture. At that point, we are going to use our text tool. A little text down here. Phenomenal. There you go. Alright, this is our recording. Let's see, what are we going to do now? You know what? I forgot to hit the record button. Scratch that. So let's just go back. Alt Control Z. I'm going to go here, and we're going to record this. Image canvas size, pixels, 200 and white. You can do it any color you want, whatever works best for you. There you go. Text tool. Fantastic. And now we are going to image size, and we're going to drop that down. Let's just do, let's just bring this down to 120 pixels, and we're going to do that 1200 wide. That'll be a decent sized image. And we're going to bring it back up to 100% so you see it. You can put a save action in here. In this case, I will not. I will just call this done because we're going to batch this. Now, if you're running this manually with a key combo, I think we did the Alt Control F9 or F8. You probably want to put a close action and a save action on here. But that is it. We have just recorded the action. We can go ahead and close this. Nope, I don't want to save that. Just to show you here, I have a folder with 100 images. Let's put this on detail. These are all the original images. If I open them here, you'll see, let's just put this. You'll see that these are the originals untouched. Alright. So what we can do now, File, and we can go Script, Image Processor. I'll show you something else. So where is that here? Yeah, it really just goes there. Got the source images in here, and destination image is nothing. So we're going to put this over here so we can see as this fills up. There we go. Alright, select folder, source images is right here because I did a dry run. Destination images, file type, we're going to save it as quality 12 for JPEG, and we're going to run action, default action, so you want to do this, default action in your folder, in this case border 1, resize 1. Here you specify your destination, and let's hit the run button here in just a second. Let's see. As you can see, it's batching these. It'll take about 3 minutes to run through the whole batch of 100. This is not a very powerful computer, it's just a laptop.